Higher order function in JavaScript. In JavaScript, a higher order function that takes one or more functions as arguments or returns a function as its result. Higher order functions allow for the abstraction of operations and can lead to more concise and modular code. For example, I create three functions. One is add, which is take two numbers as arguments and return the sum of two numbers. Another is multiply, which is take two numbers arguments and return the multiplication of two numbers. Then another function is show result, which is take one argument and print the result. Now I create a combine function and pass two parameters, operation and show result. Inside this return a new function which take two parameter num1 and num2. Then const result equals call operation and pass num1 and num2. Then show result and pass result. Now using combine function create, const add and show equals combine, pass add function and show result function. And const multiply and show equals combine, multiply and show result. Then call add and show by passing 3 and 4, and multiply and show by passing 2 and 5. And it shows the result add is 7 and the result multiply is 10.